I thought I would take some time to make my own drawing of things that I see when I'm driving. So if you would like to draw along with me, you can. If you want to make your own drawing, that's fine too. So there are lots of things that I see when I'm driving, but I think for today I am going to draw a car. I'm going to draw some things in the sky and maybe a street sign. So I think first what I'll do is draw a line that goes across my paper closer to the bottom, but I'm still leaving a little bit of space. And I'm going to start by drawing some rectangles that are short but really wide. So when we're talking about shapes, shapes can be short or tall. They could be wide or they could be thin or skinny. So this might start to look like a road. If you want to draw a road, you can draw this too. Next, I am going to draw a circle. Can you guess what I'm making? I'm adding some triangles. For some detail and maybe a clue that helps you figure out what I just made. Just for fun, I'm going to add a happy face on my sun. I'm going to draw a cloud shape. And if you're not sure how to draw a cloud, what letter did I just make now? Think about what letter that is. I'll tell you in a minute. Sometimes I have to make that letter look like it's backwards or sideways as I'm drawing. It's kind of like the letter C. If I make the letter C and then another letter C, here it kind of looks like the letter U a little bit. And then it kind of goes backwards over here. So I'm making curved lines to make my cloud. I think next I will make a street sign. You can make any street sign you want. I did a tall rectangle. So this is a short, wide rectangle. This is a tall, thin rectangle. I am going to make another bigger rectangle. And usually a sign might not look exactly like this, but I can still use shapes to give us enough clues to figure out what that is. That's my street sign or my street light. Next, I'm going to make a vehicle for my road. So I started out with 2 circles for my wheels. I'm going to connect them with a line for the bottom of my car. Then I'm going to draw 2 more lines on the outside. Then I'm going to make sort of a curved line like that. That's the bottom part of my car. Then I'm going to make a half circle or a semicircle for the windows of my car. Looks a little bit like a flying saucer. That's okay if yours does too. You can make your car look however you would like it to come out. I am using a line right there to divide and then make a smaller shape inside of there for my windows. And if you looked at symmetry last week, here's an example of 2 shapes that show symmetry. My wheels as well. There's one wheel here and one wheel here, one window here and one window here, and they're like a mirror image if I draw my imaginary line of symmetry down the center. Next, I'm going to add a headlight at the front and the back of my car. And I might add some other little details for my wheels, for my tires. And then I'm going to color it in. So I'll stop the video for now, right there. If you are finished with your drawing and you have time to color it in, go for it. If you're able to send me pictures of your work, I would love to see them. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye-bye.